Alright, welcome to Delish Soap Factory. I'm here with my wife, and we have some vegetable glycerin soap over here, 3 lobes, that she's about to cut. Alright, well first right here, this is orange cream. This smells awesome. This is another one of my favorites. Just got some swirlies in there. Look at that. Swirlies on top, swirlies in the middle.
I didn't realize we were calling them swirlies.
My bad. What were we calling them?
Curls.
Curls. Oh. Okay, curls. Alright. Then we got bunny burps. It's a cool, fun scent. Kids love it. Grown-ups do too. She has some embeds in there. Stars, right?
Mm-hmm.
There they are. And some little white curls on top. That's cool. Real cool. Okay, and last we have monkey farts. This one's awesome. Love the color on it. You got some little curls on top. How about we call them curlies, since I can't call them swirls?
Well, a swirly is like when you put a kid's head in the toilet, isn't it?
Yeah. That's one way of saying it. You can find all these soaps and much more on delishsoapfactory.com.